The 1995 Lincoln Town Car Signature. Powered by a 4.6-liter V8 engine. With an automatic transmission, this rear-wheel drive sedan is well equipped. This Lincoln features dual power seats, power windows, and alloy wheels. Comfort and convenience features include power door locks, multi-disc CD player, and leather seats. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with the Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.